Every time you ask an AI to write a caption, write code, or generate a quick email, it feels completely weightless. It's just data in the cloud, right? But what if I told you that your digital assistant leaves a very real, very physical footprints on our planet's freshwater supplies?
We treat AI like it's magic. We type and it answers instantly. But behind that smooth interface is a massive network of physical infrastructure. The digital world doesn't exist in a vacuum. It relies heavily on physical natural resources to keep running every single second of the day.
Those servers processing your prompts generate an immense amount of heat. To keep them from crashing, billions of gallons of water are pulled from local sources just to keep things cool. We are literally using our freshwater ecosystems to power our vital conversations. So what actually happens in a data center after you hit send?
Watch out our next video to find out exactly how much a water single prompt really costs.